Hi, I'm Haley, and I'm a new abstract artist. I avoided painting abstract for the longest time because, in my mind, everyone would think I wasn't a good artist. And yes, it's probably my ego wanting people to know that, hey, I can paint realistic stuff too. But that's not the point of this. So, needless to say, I'm a newbie at painting abstract and trying to put my ego aside in order to create work that represents what I see in my mind. For the past year, I've studied other abstract artists, and what I realized is that there truly isn't one way to create. To be honest, it'd be easier if there was a step-by-step process, but I found that there really isn't. Sure, the right color schemes and proportions can help out, but not always. A lot of times I found that it's the element of surprise and unexpected occurrences that create something really beautiful. From looking at a lot of abstract paintings, I've come to recognize what I love and what I don't love. Some things I love are bright colors, neons for sure, large format paintings, layers of similar colors, combination of different materials, and often fun imagery added. So those are the things you'll see in my work, and I really hope it makes you smile because that's a win for me. Stay tuned for part 3 of this painting.